Hey guys, what's up? This is Jason from Yeastar training team. Today I'm actually with Dave, our Director of Business Development. Hey Dave, how's it going?
Hey Jason, glad to be here.
Today actually David and I gonna talk about our Yeastar Cloud solution. Well, before we talk about this Yeastar Cloud solution, let's check this out. For Yeastar, we've been working on the on-premise solution for many years, and we actually did a great job, right Dave?
We're doing a good job, Jason.
Yeah, but for the cloud solution, that's totally a new, something very new for us.
Absolutely.
So how does it work?
Well, let's just break it down a little bit, okay?
All right.
Okay, so when I show you the S series, when I show you this slide right here, and you look at the S series, what do all my products in the S series have in common?
I think those four models, they're all for SMB market, and they're using the same firmware.
Bingo. That's what I wanted you to say.
Right.
They're all using the same firmware, right?
Yeah.
So minus the modules, what sets them apart from each other?
The difference is capacity, obviously.
Hardware capacity, right?
Right.
CPU, memory,
Exactly.
right? So what would you say if I told you that I could virtualize it?
Virtualize the S-Series firmware.
Bingo.
That's a pretty cool idea. I love it.
So the Yeastar engineers, okay, have put together a management plane, right?
Right.
That can command and control,
YMP.
right? The YMP,
Yeah.
the Yeastar management plane,
Right.
bingo.
Right.
That has the capacity for 100 S series.
Well,
right?
that's a large capacity.
It is a very large capacity.
yeah.
So can you imagine? Now I've got a virtualized S20, right? It's just a hosted S20 in the cloud, or a virtualized S50, right?
Yeah, you can actually have multiple S-Series.
Bingo.
PBX.
300, S100, you got it.
Because you got a large capacity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when we looked at this, we said now we could just sell the distributors and the resellers a virtualized or a hosted S20.
Right.
That would be pretty cool, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Probably make this a little bit more simpler, right?
That's what we did all the time, right?
Doesn't need to be so complex. Let's
Right.
just blow this away and give them the full capacity.
Right.
100 total PBXs.
2,000 extensions, 500 concurrent costs.
That's
amazing.
That's the YMP. I virtualize once, and I get 100 total instances, 2,000 available extensions, 500 concurrent calls.
Yeah, large capacity. I love it.
So let
Tell
me just
us the story.
okay. Let's just walk you through this, right? So I'm a reseller. I'm calling you my distributor, and I'm going, hey, I just did a quote
Yeah,
for
you got
73
three
users.
different locations for 73 users, right?
Right, and 3 locations means in the on-prem business,
Yeah.
I
You
need
have to buy 3 boxes.
3 boxes. I need to put SIP trunks
Right,
together.
right.
And now we just support a new feature that we can command and control all the PBXs from one location, right? But what about if it were hosted, I can have 1 PBX?
All the thing on cloud.
Yep,
So
everything
it's
in the
totally
cloud, right?
Beyond hardware.
Exactly.
Right.
So if I look at my system capacity, 100 PBXs, 2,000 extensions,
Right.
500 concurrent calls, right?
Yeah.
And you can see that some I've used and what I have available.
Yeah.
So I need to create a PBX, okay, in the cloud.
Right.
I'll log into my YMP. I log into my YMP.
Yeah.
I
and
click
then
up
just
here.
Click on create.
Yep.
And wait a second. Wow, this is really simple.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Right?
And also the extensions and concurrent calls, we can change it. We can customize it.
Absolutely.
Well, that's really flexible.
And this is even better, Jason.
Yeah.
We do all the domain control. So when you put in the URL name right here
Cool.
and you click create,
Yeah.
it goes live. When you
Right. We're actually use this URL to accessing the system, right?
click on that URL and you log right in. Just like that.
That's the S-Series user
Looks
interface,
just
right?
like the S series,
Well,
doesn't
this
it?
is amazing. I love it.
I thought you would.
Yeah. So for those instances, I mean, the virtualized PBX, it's just a tenant, right? It's just a tenant, and totally virtualized the PBX. So can I just call those virtualized PBXs V-Series?
Well, I do.
Yeah, I love that. I love that.
So the YMP gives you complete command and control, right?
Right,
You have
exactly.
all your PBXs. So you can see all your PBXs up here, Jason. You see how quick and easy I can click up here to create, or I
Right,
can upgrade.
right.
I have complete flexibility inside. I have a distributed management model.
So this will be the user interface for this YMP.
That's correct,
Well,
right?
that's-
and it gives me firmware control, gives me license control, internal resource management, syslog, email notifications,
Can you do the
and
troubleshooting?
and security. Troubleshooting, Jason, all you do is just log right in. You got your hosted location right there. So don't forget, everybody who's in the cloud is going to worry about security. Right? So we've introduced a YSBC, right?
Yeah.
So a Yeastar SBC, which basically is like a security border controller, right? It does all the topology hiding. It controls everything for the domain for all the instances behind it, right?
Yeah.
And each level I have security. I have security on the SBC, I have security at the YMP level,
and also we have firewall on the instance.
3 firewalls, Jason. So you can imagine, right?
Yeah.
And you could put it in the Ali Cloud. You could put it in Amazon Cloud. We support AWS. Right now, we're testing on Google Cloud. And of course, for those who want,
your own data center.
Put it in your own data center. Absolutely.
Yeah, that's great. That's really great. And also for instance, I want to say something about instance. I really love this instance. It's totally virtualized PBX. So for end users, there is no shipping charge, right?
No shipping charge. And Jason,
all they have to do, they just make a phone call to the distributor. They want a new PBX.
Why not just check it out now? Free. Get a free trial. Test it yourself.
Yeah, of course, guys. If you want a free trial, just access our website. Sign up.
And not only that, if you want to own your own YMP, be a YMP admin, you can get an evaluation system, Jason. We have that set up as well.
Yeah, that's cool.
Why don't you take us on out of here, Jason?
Okay. All right, Dave. Thank you for your time. And also, guys, thank you for your time. And if you guys want to know more details about our cloud solution, don't forget to visit our website, all right? And also visit our YouTube channel, subscribe it. I will see you guys in the next one.